I'm at it again, making a full page panel for the next graphic novel. So you get to join me this time too, from start to finish, black and white. I will not color yet, as usual. So here we go. This is Musket. He has had an upgrade this time. So a lot of things happening in this issue, just like the first issue or so. One step closer to the war, and in a desperate move, Musket get this upgrade, and this is how we look. And we have these new characters, as you can see. They are humanoid, animal, kind of a wolf creatures. I'll call them Fables. About changes, I don't know. But this is how it's going. Well, I really enjoyed making this. It's good practice, and this is what you should do. You should always practice. Even if it's something that it looks half bad, just do it, and you will get the hang of it eventually. This is the best way to become a good artist, is to practice and make mistakes and do it again until the brain understands how to do it. This is how I do it every day. And I will never stop learning. It's an ongoing process. So Musket is getting involved in this big epic battle. This is what we're seeing. Everybody's getting involved. There's a lot of things happening, as usual. The story gets more complicated than in the first graphic novel. There's a lot of people worried about the AI development for artists, and it's nothing I really think about, because I do this mainly for, I will not say for me, but I will say for my needs, because for me drawing is like I'm a working alcoholic or something, you understand? It's like I just can't live without it. And even if the AI takes over and there will be no use for us as artists, I'll still do these things as I do it today, because I need to do it. It's like breathing for me. If I don't breathe, well, I will not exist. So I understand how other artists think about it and feel about it, and some people really need it because they live from it. This is how they eat. It pays the bills. Hopefully it will not come to that, because I think that the artists will always give some soul to it, to the creation that the AI can't give. And I believe that people appreciate the hours the artists put down on making something, creating something from the brain directly, which is amazing. And I think that impresses people. The AI, you do it in the press of a button, and then you have it there. There's no soul, there's no process, there's no, damn, did you do that all by yourself? You will not have that reaction. So that's the answer of some people discussed this with me and wanted to know what I felt about this. I've had some ideas. The first graphic novel is ready to go. I was planning to put it out on Amazon. I have my ISBN. I just need to press the buttons and get it out there. But I've had an epiphany lately, and I will try 1 or 2 or maybe 3 episodes here on YouTube. I don't know if I will put it in a new channel or here. Just trying it out as a series through YouTube only at the beginning. I feel it's something new. I don't know if it's been done before. I want to try it. Let's see what happens. See the reactions, if somebody appreciates it. And then I will continue like that. And maybe put out the graphic novel later on when people feel that it's something they really would like to follow or read or have hardware at home. It will be software first and hardware later. This is what I've been thinking, because I can't decide how I will publish the book. So maybe it's a good way to go. If somebody has an idea, or if it's been done before, it would be nice to know if it works and if people appreciates it. I will put it out as an episode, like a series, with voices and no text, but just voices and no talking bubbles. So try to make it look like a real series. And well, we'll see if I fail or not. Maybe it will not look like it looks in my head, but I will try it. And I hope that we can continue doing it in the future. So here is the result. This is Musket with the Fables, and this is how he shows himself for the first time with his update. It's a suit, a military suit that he updated by himself with the help from the people in the Emancipation town. He's still there with the same people. They still don't trust each other, but they only have each other. I hope you follow, and not only follow this channel, but follow the process and follow the story and get involved with what's going on in this world. There's a lot of things going on, a lot of twists, and they need to be resolved. So hope you come back, and see ya.